This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your mobile hotspot. First, grab your smartphone and enable its personal hotspot feature from your settings menu. Make sure the hotspot's name and password are easy to locate, as you will need them shortly. Also, it is wise to quickly check your mobile data plan. Connecting your console can use a significant amount of data, so be prepared for that. Now, turn on your PlayStation 5 console and head over to the main dashboard. Look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu. Click on it, and then scroll down to find the network option. Selecting this will open up all the relevant connection preferences, bringing you one step closer to getting online. Once you are in the network menu, choose Set up Internet Connection. The system will then ask you to select either Wi-Fi or a LAN cable. Naturally, we will select Wi-Fi for this process. Your PlayStation 5 will now scan for available wireless networks. Locate your personal hotspot's name from the list, select it, and then carefully input your hotspot's password. This security key is case-sensitive, so double-check your entry. After entering your password, your PlayStation 5 will automatically attempt to connect. Once it finishes, perform a connection test to ensure everything is working correctly. This test will verify your internet status, IP address acquisition, and internet connection. Pay attention to the reported download and upload speeds. They will give you a good idea of your connection's quality. If it fails, recheck your password and hotspot settings on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.